The metaverse is still quite new, and the thought of investing in the virtual world may seem high risk. But could there be potential for getting in on the ground floor? In this video, we are going to explore the top facts about buying virtual land in the metaverse. If you want to learn more about how to navigate the metaverse world, we upload videos every single week, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. What you need to know about buying virtual land in the metaverse is: Number 1. Can you actually make money? In the real world, the real estate market is simply huge, so yes, you can make money investing in virtual real estate. Whilst buying virtual land may seem confusing, it is quite similar to purchasing traditional real estate. The 2 points which make investing in virtual land appealing is: Number 1, virtual land is in demand as more people join the metaverse, which means that there is a high possibility of excessive ROI. And 2, every parcel in the metaverse is unique, which makes it an ideal asset to trade or sell. However, just like the traditional real estate market, prices of land could drop or increase, which is out of our control. Number 2. Virtual real estate transacts without any of the hassles of traditional real estate. When you're looking at purchasing land in the real world, you need to physically travel to find a property, deal with multiple open houses, transactional paperwork, agents, banks, or brokers. Virtual real estate is a lot more simple, and depending on the platform, you may be able to snag a piece of virtual land for a few $100s. Number 3. More people are participating in the metaverse. People are becoming addicted to these virtual worlds. The metaverse craze offers vast potential to transform our lifestyles and communication, and we've seen its development grow rapidly. As the world becomes more digital and embraces blockchain technology, it's no surprise that the real estate market is following suit. Virtual real estate in the metaverse is becoming the new normal in our period of traveling in the direction of Web 3. Number 4. Increase in prices of virtual land. As the industry becomes more crowded, this could lead to an increase of prices for virtual assets, including virtual real estate. However, the market for virtual real estate is still very new, and it's hard to predict how it will evolve over time. Number 5. Metaverse virtual real estate is very flexible. You are able to buy a piece of land in the virtual world and create whatever you want, whether it be your own shop, a gaming experience, digital art gallery, event center, or school. Most importantly, the blockchain allows you to own all of your content, including specific individuality and items in the metaverse. Like other metaverses, TCG World blends reality, virtual reality or VR, augmented reality or AR, and gaming. You can build out your property, i.e. play your avatar and experience just about anything you can think of in a massive online universe. Number 6. There is multiple platforms to purchase virtual land. Most metaverse platforms are built on the Ethereum blockchain, like the Sandbox, which is currently dominating the metaverse real estate with ownership of nearly 62% of the market. However, the costs of land in the Sandbox are significantly higher than other platforms. Platforms like Decentraland, Otherside, Somnium Space and Cryptovoxels are also popular options to purchase real estate from. Number 7. Buying virtual land is very simple. To buy your virtual land, all you need to do is download a crypto wallet, sign up to a decentralized exchange that supports the coin you wish to purchase, convert your real money into the required cryptocurrency. Once you have the native tokens in your wallet, proceed to the metaverse platform you wish to make a purchase on. Metaverse real estate is still in its early days, but as the virtual world grows, you could reap some serious rewards. What do you think about buying virtual real estate? Let us know in the comments below. If you are interested in finding out how to make money in the metaverse, then check out this video here where we show you the 10 ways you can make money in the virtual world.